That's not a knife. That's a knife. Welcome back, everybody. Faithful EDC here with you today. Today, we don't have very many knives to talk about. What we are talking about today are the trays. The trays that I keep the knives in. The knucks that are coming out. These guys get a lot of attention in my toolbox. My good buddy over at EDGEWAY Artisan, Doc, sent these out here. Well, didn't send them. I bought them from him looking for some way to do a display on my Whatnot channel. Turned out that he had a whole bunch of old inventory, and I picked up all of the ones that I could. So all the glow ones that he had, plus some of the blue ones that I use on my Whatnot show. So I use, I think, like 8 of them in the Whatnot show. He also does knife stands, so where they're vertical stands. He has wall mounts, so that way you can double side tape it to wall and display your knives on the walls. He does knucks, so 3D printed single knucks. We got a black and gray, or a red and gray. He also does 3D printed beads. We've got the black and glow lanyard. I put the lanyard on knuck there. He has a drop today, guys. So this video is for Doc over at EDGEWAY Artisan. Gonna leave his link to his TikTok channel. Gonna leave a link to his Etsy store in the description down below, and just go over some of these items that he has made and some of the stuff that I've bought. He has sent some 3D printed beads. We had some glow-in-the-dark scales on the Civivi Elementum. He's sent some scales. I can't find them right at the moment, Doc. I'm sorry. I've got them somewhere, but he sent me a set of scales for my Spyderco Paramilitary 2, and I have just yet to ever put them on. That's why I haven't found them. I've got them somewhere. My office is a mess. Just coming back from vacation and getting all these videos shot, and of course, trying to hit your release date. So this is going out August 1st. August 1st, he's having a huge drop of items, 3D printed stuff, knife trays, knucks, possibly some beads. He has little pucks that have the leather strap in them. He does all kinds of stuff. Scales, like I mentioned. Scales, beads. He sent 2 beads, so I've got matching beads for my knuck and my Civivi Elementum. This is the Elementum that me and Mr. Jimmy Crow dehorned, so took the flipper tab off, and it's utilizing thumb stud only. And then, of course, Doc supplied me a set of red scales, and a set of glow scales. I had a glow on there for a long time, and then he sent the knuck with the beads, and I swapped them out for the red scales and the red bead. These 3D printed beads are really cool. Some of them are UV activated, glow in the dark. Some are not. But these trays get a lot of traction on my videos, at least 3 times a week, if not more. Somebody is asking, what trays do I use in my drawer? And so today's video is dedicated to EDGEWAY Artisan and his goods that he is releasing. So he did send out this set of black here. So I don't know exactly what packages he's going to offer, whether it's going to be a knuck and a tray combined, or a knuck and a bead, or a knuck and a wall mount, or a tray and a wall mount. I don't know how he's going to do it, but he is having a drop today, August 1st, 8/1/2026. He's got an Etsy store, TikTok shop, and of course, if you send him a message on TikTok or Etsy, he'll make whatever combo and make you a listing for exactly what you want. So I will get all of his information, obviously not his phone number, but his Etsy store, his TikTok shop, his Instagram, his YouTube channel, and all of that stuff. I'll get that down in the description for you guys. And then that way I can reference this video. I made a short the other day on the drop coming. I posted it on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And so on TikTok, I'm going to provide the TikTok shop, and then Instagram and YouTube, I'm going to provide the Etsy store. So, nonetheless, Doc does some great work. Him and I believe his son started all this and have just kept it rolling. I love the knife trays. I use the knife trays every day. You guys see them every day on my shorts. And yeah, I would be completely lost without them, because my drawer was an absolute mess before I was able to pick up some of these trays from Doc. So thank you so much. I also have the wall trays. I've got 2 wall trays sitting right next to my desk in my office. I have 2 wall trays in the dining room where I use my do my whatnot shows. So the wall trays in the dining room holds fixed blades, neck knives, and stuff, so that way they're not buried in a drawer. Also holds my demo knives, so my Vicino Rock Sharks. It holds my flashlights, so that way I'm not dropping my flashlights. They will do whatever you want, hold whatever you want pretty much. There might be a limit on it, I don't know. I've not found it yet. All 3D printed. Oh, and the little step trays. The step trays are great. I have 4 of them from Doc, and they work amazing. I had bought some from another maker, actually was on Whatnot, and they worked great. They had a little slot on one side and then like a valley. Doc's basically is a step up just like this with just a little ledge. So it's basically just like this with just a little bit more of a ledge, and it goes up, and it holds 4 knives in it just like his trays do here, and I love them. Easy to use, easy to coordinate. I'm sure you can see him on multiple channels. Doc's got a lot of good buddies here on a lot of good buddies over on TikTok, and he's a great guy. So would definitely like to show him love and support. And if you guys enjoy how my toolbox drawer looks with my knife trays, and you are looking to do the same and get your knives situated and looking nice and organized and in some kind of order, or you need a 3D printed nuck or a 3D printed bead, go hit up Doc. He's a good guy. EDGEWAY Artisan, TikTok, and Etsy. Believe he's on Instagram and YouTube as well. I don't know how often he uses that stuff, but he for sure is on TikTok. And if you guys don't use TikTok, go to Etsy. Everybody can use Etsy. It's just like an eBay or a Amazon store basically, and he does have a shop over there. Send him a message, get what you need, and support a small maker. I do appreciate Doc for sending out the black tray with the black nuck, even though I already had them. You know, all he could have done, all he had to do was say, hey, make me a video for a release date on the 1st with your existing tray and your existing nuck. And no, he wanted me to have another tray for demonstration purposes and a nuck to show you guys that this is exactly what's coming out. So thank you guys so much for all your support. If you guys need something like this, go hit up EDGEWAY Artisan, Etsy, TikTok shop. Thank you all so much. Hope you all enjoy. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll give you guys links and all that stuff in the description below. But if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you all so much. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And as always, take care and God bless.